99% of students always get this type of question wrong. Here is how to do it. We are told to solve 4 power x minus 2 is equal to 48. Our goal here is to find the value of x that will satisfy the given equation. Good. First thing we check, can we actually express the left and the right hand side to be in the same base? No, we can't, because this is base 4 and this is base 48. So what do? We have to do what? Take the log of both sides, or otherwise we use the what? Laws of what? Exponent to simplify this thing. Okay, let's take the log of both sides. So if I take the log of 4 to the power of x minus 2, I will also take the log of 48. Okay, so this is what we have. You recall the law of logarithm, which says that when you have log of a certain number, let's say m, raised to the power of n, that you are free to multiply n, then you have your log m. Good. If we understand this, we are going to multiply the power x minus 2 to the log. So if I multiply, I have x minus 2 multiplying log 4, and that's equals to log 48. Okay? If you have this now, what do? We are looking for this x, actually. So what we do is that we use log 4 to multiply each term in the bracket. So log 4 will times x. I'm having x log 4. Then log 4 will times minus 2. I have minus 2 log 4, and that's equals to log 48. Okay? So when we have this, the next thing we do is just to add 2 log 4 to both sides. We have it that x log 4 is equal to log 48 minus, we are adding 2 log 4 plus 2 log 4. Good. If we have this, what do we observe? We are looking for x actually, but we've gotten all this. So the next thing we do is to divide, to cancel out this log 4. And to do that, we divide by log 4, and we divide each term here by what? Log 4. If we divide by log 4 is actually out. We are left with x is equal to, you remember, at this point, we need to simplify every term here. Remember, since we already have this law, so this law says that when we have log of m power n, we take it to be n log m. So we can still reverse it. So since we have 2 log 4, we can write it to be that log 48 plus log 4 squared. Now, then divided by log 4 is now equal to, let's split the fraction. We will now have log 48 divided by log 4 plus, we can now take the initial one, which is 2 log 4 over log 4. So that here log 4 will cancel out log 4. We have it that x is equals to log, what do we have here? 48 can now be seen as 16 times 3, then divided by log 4 and add 2, which this 2 that is left. So we can now write this in multiplication, like when we have log m n, m times in n, okay? It is the same thing as log m plus log n. So if we agree with this, we can now see that x is equals to log 16 plus, we'll now have log 3 divided by log 4 plus 2. X is equals to, 16 can be seen as 4 squared. So we can now take it to be log 4 squared over log 4, plus log 3 over log 4 plus 2. Okay? So if we have this, we use these two to multiply the log as usual. So you can now see that our x is equal to 2 log 4 over 4 over log 4, then plus log 3 divided by log 4 plus 2. So if you agree with this, we cancel out log 4s. We have x to be equals to 2 plus 2, which is 4. 4 plus what? Log of 3 over log 4. Okay? There is another rule we have, which we usually use, which is the change of base rule, which says that whenever you have log m over log n, we take it to be the log of base n of m. Okay? So if we agree with this, we can now have that our x is equal to 4 plus log of base 4 of 3. And that's the what? The value for x. Okay? This is actually the value for x.